Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After create a page for a social media post design, go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this shape and make it bigger and adjust it on the middle of the page. Now take this picture and remove the background and adjust it on the shapes. Now for the background, let's search a red and black background. Let's make a gradient background. Let's take these two colors, red and yellow, and give this middle shade, middle gradient. And now search a texture background. Give a food effect, and now go to the shadows and give this drop shadow. Adjust the shadow. Now take this text box and type biryani. Change the font style. Adjust it over the picture and now change the font style. Now take another text box and type special for you and change the font style in normal official font like Poppins and make it a bold. And now go to the effect and give a shape in curve. Adjust it around the plate. Now take another text box and type chicken. Adjust it of the middle. Give it an outline from the effects. Now from the element, search for a line texture. Take this texture and adjust all over the page and give a color. Make it behind and now blur it. Now let's upcycle the picture we took from the image upscaler of Canva. Adjust the lines. And now from the element, let's take this round rectangle shape. Change the color in yellow. And now search a tomato. From the element, take this tomato. Take another one. Again search a onion slice. Take this onion slice and remove the background and search more elements like this. After placing the all elements, select the elements and go to the edit and make all of them little bit blur. Repeat this process for the all element. Now from the element, type the keyword thought box and take a box like this. Take this box and now take a text box and type exclusive. Adjust it over the box we took and take another text box, type deals, change the font style, change the color in red, adjust these two text box together. And now from the elements, search Instagram logo, Facebook logo and Twitter logo. Make this logo in white and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Now adjust these icons together. Make all of them in middle alignment. And now go to the element and search for a food logo. Let's take this logo and adjust it like this, and again take a text box and type the restaurant name. Here we are given name Biryani House. Adjust it with the logo. Now take a text box and type open hours. After typing the text, now go to the element and find the icon for a location. Take this icon and adjust it with the location. Now let's copy the lines and adjust it on the lower section of the page. And for the shape we took, let's give it a gradient shade with light yellow and dark yellow. It's almost done. Here it is, a social media post for a restaurant. If you need this kind of design or any kind of social media post you need, or any kind of custom design, you have like logo design, flyer design, brochure design, presentation, pitch decks or any other print media design, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.